afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for March 20th, 2017. It's about 18 minutes after the close. We just had a special 3-hour session to trade the close, third Friday of every month, and we cleaned up this time. So the idea in here is today is the S&P rebalance. I was able to figure out what stocks were going to get crushed today, and luckily we bought cheap puts in the IBMs of the world, the Citigroups of the world. That was a good one. And the Apple, that was the coup de grace, was shorting Apple over 140.80 and buying it back at 140. Now the idea in there in Simpler Stocks is I try to do a ton of research. I try to go through all kinds of analysis. I spend hours and hours and hours, and then I develop a plan. This includes watching against companion stocks, watching through the ESs, watching to see when there's a tell during the day. And all those things I try to combine to make a lot of people money. And today, on our live chat, a lot of people made a lot of money. So it was really exciting, as I'm always nervous going into this. And this time, everyone worked. It was amazing. And the best part is the market really didn't move that much. It just happened that the ones we were in moved a lot. So by the end of the day today, ES is down 425, NASDAQ down 7. Russell finally came back a little, outperforming just like I warned you it would, up 440. Yeah, the bonds up 21, industrials down all of 19. That's what I'm telling you, it was a tight market. That's why it's exciting to make money on a day like this. SPX down all of 3, just not a lot of anything. Transports continuing their weakness, down 35 today. And you had gold up fractionally, up all of $1, silver up $1, crude oil, silver up 6 cents, crude oil all of up 2 cents. Advanced decline all day was strong. A lot of that is because the bonds were up. When bonds are up, the interest rate sensitive stocks are up, and that messes around with the advanced decline. So no matter how bad the ESs look, you have the interest rate sensitive stocks lend a bid to the market. So just keep that in mind. By the end of the day, UVXY down fractionally. Chinese market down about 1% today. Really sharp move in there. Very interesting in there. And so that's where we are with that. Put call ratio is still relatively low. So where do we go with the market? That's something we're going to talk about on Simpler Stocks Premium. The idea in here is we're at some important levels, and you have to tune in there to see what I think of the overall market. So to let you know, we still have the $7 30-day trial. Includes the chat room in the morning. Includes the premium video and the email alerts. I post at least 6 stock ideas, 6 index ideas every morning. The index ideas, there are actually people that only join us for the index ideas. It's amazing. The other thing is we have a very powerful part of this section called Meetup. I do a web series. I teach all kinds of classes. They're anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. Every one is free if you're a subscriber. The idea is those go into a Meetup then, and every one of these is free. This came in handy today in Apple. People shorted because one of our videos is about relative strength, and one of them is about the ATR trailing stop. So it's really exciting that we were able to put the videos you get for free into practice and make a lot of money. So everybody have a great night, and I will talk to you on Monday.